Okay, so I gotta tell you, I don't know if this video is showing before Christmas or after Christmas. If it's after Christmas, I hope you had a great holiday. If it's before Christmas, we obviously filmed this before Christmas, a few days before Christmas, so that this would be in rotation. So this is always a weird time of the year. I don't know whether to tear the decorations down, leave them up. People got their Christmas tree up till January 5th, so I'm not really worried about it because all I care about is the food. So I want to talk to you about something. I got a bag. Let me go back just a little bit. So I'm at the store, okay? And I want to get a bag of wings, all right? So I'm at Sam's Club, and they're $27. 27 bucks for wings? Really? It was like a 5-pound bag. I don't remember what it was. It was in the freezer section. So I said, forget it. I'll go to Walmart and get a bag of wings. So I go to Walmart. They want 30 bucks for their wings. I'm like, forget that. I'll just get like roadkill or something. No, seriously. I thought there's got to be another chicken part that I can make with this and not have to do wings. I'm not paying stupid money. So I think, okay, let's do, I really enjoy thighs. It's my next favorite part of the chicken. First, I like the wings. Then I like the thighs. It's very delicious. So I went and I found a bag of boneless, skinless thighs. I thought, that's perfect. That'll replace my wings. So I'll get my chicken fix, and I don't have to get the wings and pay stupid prices. So I get it for, I can't remember, $9-10 or something like that. I get this bag of boneless thighs. Well, then I thought, I've been dying to use this from from Carolina. I got Corona in the brain, sorry. From Carolina Barbecue Wars Tour. You guys remember I bought this jar of sauce. First place I went to was Calhoun's restaurant. And I hadn't even left Tennessee. We were heading to the Carolinas. And we stopped in Calhoun's and we filmed there. It was kind of a bonus video. But anyway, so there was this amazing sauce at Calhoun's, all right? And I don't know if they mail order this. I don't know if you can get it at your local Calhoun's. I don't even know if you have a Calhoun's, but this is really good. Imagine barbecue sauce has a baby with Tabasco, all right? The two got together and made this. This was amazing. This is called Thunder Sauce. That's what they called it. It was, if you remember the video, it was Thunder Wings because they put their Thunder Sauce on the wings and they have Thunder Wings. That's why I bought the sauce. But I'm not paying for the wings, so I got thighs. You get the title of this video? You get it? I just had to do it. I just had to put the two together. Why not? So we're going to try the Thunder Sauce on the thighs, and we're going to see how it goes. But I want to talk about a few things first, because a lot of people email me all the time, write me through the website. I just go to cookingwithjack.com, and you can contact me there. And a lot of people will write me and say, hey, what temperature do I do this? Or how long do I do that? Or how do I season this? They ask me questions all the time. A question everybody asks me is, if you're going to put sauce on chicken or on whatever, any steak, venison, whatever, do you season? The answer is yes. I'm telling everybody now. You absolutely season. How many times have we bought like a barbecue sauce and we doctor it up? We add flavor to it because the sauces are not perfect. They need a little heat. They need a little sour. They need a little citrus, whatever you're craving. So not to doctor this sauce up. I'm not touching this sauce. But I definitely am going to season the wings first. You do it with the ribs. You always rub the ribs with seasoning. Then when it comes off or it's still on the last few minutes, you'll glaze it with the sauce. That's what you do with all your meat. If you're going to use sauce, don't skip seasoning. I don't care if it's salt and pepper. I don't care if it's garlic and onion. Don't not season because you're going to be putting sauce on it, okay? I promise you. It'll be twice as good if you season your meat than sauce at the end. So that's another rule I want to talk about. There's so many things I want to share with you. All right. So people say, well, when do I put your barbecue sauce? Because like they'll buy my barbecue sauce and they'll be like, when do I put it on the meat? What's the best time? If you're on the grill, I say don't put it on the grill if you don't have to. I like to pull it off piping hot, okay? Normally, I'll pull like my wings after I grill them. I'll pull them piping hot, throw them in a bowl, toss them in my sauce, and as they cool, the heat will caramelize the sauce. But if you like your sauce cooked a little bit, crispy a little bit, some people like that, all right? So then you just dunk it in a bowl next to your barbecue and then grill, all right? I hate cleaning the grill. I just hate it. I barely do it, so when I do it, it's a lot of built up sauce on the grill. That's why I always sauce off the grill. You can do it both ways, but you always sauce the last 5 or 10 minutes. You just want to get that caramelization. You just want to get that heat and that it's kind of crispy sometimes, gets on the skin of the chicken and it cooks up real well. Anyway, enough about all that. So I'm going to take my thighs, season my thighs, thunder my thighs. I can't even talk today. Season, then thunder sauce, and then we'll have thunder thighs. All right, go on in. Okay, guys, so first we're just going to apply a little bit of salt. Okay. We're doing our seasoning first. I don't like a lot of salt, so I kind of sparingly sprinkle it. Okay. But I do like a lot of pepper. I think I don't think pepper has a great flavor, but I think it's more useful to bring the other flavors out. The more pepper you have, let's like the Tabasco that's in the barbecue or in the thunder sauce is going to pop with the pepper. It's going to really enhance it. All right, so let's get this going. There we go. Looking good. Okay, guys. We're going to now do garlic. I always go heavy on my garlic. I think there's a law that says in cooking that you can't put too much garlic in anything. So, unless you ask a vampire. But yeah, get garlic on everything. There we go. That's minced garlic. And then we're doing minced onion. And those are my 4 basic seasonings that I use on pretty much everything. Onion, garlic, salt, pepper. You can't go wrong with it, I promise you. You can do pulled pork that way. You can do ribs that way. Pretty much anything. So that's all we're going to do right now on the chicken. And you could take this out on the grill. That's what I was trying to tell you earlier. You can grill this on the barbecue. You could smoke this in the smoker. Or you can use your broiler flame. A lot of ovens have a broiler flame, okay? And the broiler flame is kind of like at the top on the roof of your oven. And it acts like it's a grill, kind of upside down. Or you'll have a browning wire, which will also act like a grill on your meat. So we're going to be using our broiling flame, because I got a broiler flame on mine, because I think everybody has this ability. So I don't want to do something. Some people don't have barbecues. Some people don't have smokers. So I'm going to use the oven. I'm going to use my broiler flame, or you use your broiling wire. You should have a setting for that, okay? So now that's all seasoned, I'm not going to sauce till the end. So I'm going to cook this chicken. All right, you can do make sure you get at least 165. You can go up to 175, 180 if you want. To me, 170 is really good. So I'm going to probably pull these out at 170, okay? Get one of those thermometers, you just poke it, and it'll give you a reading, all right? So let's take this over to the stove. Okay, guys, so the key is we're going to pull the thighs out to sauce them at their hottest moment. So we're going to pull them out, sauce them in this bowl, set them to rest on this plate till they're cool. Okay, got that? So let's go get them right now. Oh, they smell amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour I'll show you. Let's take the cap off this sauce. I'm gonna pour this sauce. See, right there. Gonna pour it in this bowl. Pour all of it. Okay. Real simple. Ready? Take your piece of chicken. See, it's all beautifully seasoned. You dunk in this bowl. You can put all your chicken in there if you want. I'll do 3 pieces at a time. Take 3 pieces, get them all dunked in that bowl. Alright. Take your spoon, mix it around, make sure it's submerged. Okay. Then go in after it. Take a piece of chicken out. Shake, shake, shake. Place it on the plate to rest. Same with the next piece of chicken. Shake, shake, shake. Place it on the plate to rest. Just like that. You're going to do that with all the... Did I pull 2 pieces out? Yeah. Separate these 2. And do it with the last 3 pieces too. Grab that chicken and put it in. And once again, shake off all the excess sauce because you'll have plenty of sauce that'll stick to it. Trust me. I even got a little piece of meat right there, a little sampler. I don't know what it is about Italians always sampling, but when you cook, you got to sample. Get it all submerged. Go in there. Shake, shake, shake. Every one of them. And then let them rest till they're cool enough to touch. Okay, right now they're piping hot. So this is where you want to get them coated now. There we go. Okay, now it's resting time. They're going to rest now. And if you have leftover sauce, just leave it in here. Don't worry about it because your chicken will be all cooked. There'll be no, bacteria worries. And if you want to do another layer of chicken, throw some more chicken on here. Use that sauce again. But once again, I wouldn't save this sauce when I'm done. Dump this sauce. Make sure you only put enough for the chicken. It's been resting now. It smells amazing. It's got a little bit of that tang of the Tabasco sauce. It's got a little sweetness to it. This is spicy and sweet. This is really, really good. I'm impressed with this sauce. I would probably call Calhoun's and see if they can ship more. They're sealed jars, so they should be safe to ship, and they're plastic. But anyway, give them a call. This is a really good sauce. I got a little on my finger, and I tasted it. But let's give this a try and see how it is. All right, guys. Now, remember, when you're trying to control like your sugar intake and the foods you eat, just going with seasoning is a great idea. If you get a craving, you got to sauce it up. This probably has a tiny bit of sugar in it. You could use a sugar substitute when you make your own. But if you need to sauce it up, do it this way. Season it, sauce it, drip it off, shake it, set it down, and rest it. Give it about 10, 15 minutes. If it's a turkey, I go as far as a full hour. If it's a whole brisket, I go a full hour. If it's like one of those racks of ribs, I go a full hour. It's just easier. You could always warm it up again if it gets cold, but to rest your meat is the key, all right? So now let's give this a try. Got a little piece of chicken here. Wow. Okay, thunder thighs have never been so good. Cooked very well. I'm going to save the rest of this for dinner for tonight. A little bit of pepper in my throat. I can feel it. It's good. Now I'm getting down to the seasoning. I can taste it. Lots of garlic. All right, guys. Try this out. If you don't have the thunder sauce, my recommendation to you would be like take Tabasco on Heinz 57 and mix the two. That would be the closest thing I can think of for this. Or make your own barbecue sauce and then add Tabasco. It's the Tabasco that's kicking in the back of your throat. It's the Tabasco in that sauce that's amazing, all right? So let's take this over to the table, bag it up for tonight's dinner, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. I love you. Bye-bye.